Welcome, welcome. It is Monday, and you know what that means? It is time for our Monday quick educational class together here from LadyJeepers.com. Welcome, ladies, to using your automatic shifter in your Jeep for more control. So even if you don't have a manual and you bought an automatic, we are going to talk about what I feel is one of the best tips to help you for more control off-road. The first question that's going to come up is why? Why would you want to use your automatic shifter as a manual shifter? Well, there's a couple of reasons. You are going to ultimately be in control of the tire speed of your vehicle. This is a great safety, one more safety little tip that you can do so that when you're learning, if for some reason you panic and hit the gas, your vehicle is not going to be able to lurch and gain more speed than the gear that it is in. Another reason why this is going to help you when you're going downhill for the transmission to hold your vehicle slower so you're not having to ride your brakes, which also is going to help you going downhill in slippery conditions because you're not going to be having to ride your brakes as much. This also will help you when you are crawling obstacles. The next question I'm sure is going to be, when do you do this? So I recommend once you get off-road, you're on the trail, you're driving down the trail. If you're just cruising, you can be in drive. But as soon as you go to climb hills, hit obstacles, or you're going to go downhill, I recommend shifting with your automatic into manual mode. You are going to use this anytime you're going to be crawling an obstacle, trying to crawl like over a rock, a ledge, if it's slick conditions, if you're going to be going up hills, down hills. This is when you're going to use this, when you're actually kind of driving on the trail. So let's jump into how you are going to use this. So I do want to point out, I'm going to be showing you in a JKU. If you're in an older generation with an automatic, you'll just go straight down from drive into 1 or 2. If you are in a JL, JLU, JT, it's going to be the same idea. You go down to drive, you're going to push over on the shifter and then up and down to shift. So it will be just a little bit different than this JKU. So let's jump in so I can show you how. Four-wheel drive, but as you can see, I have drive and then there's plus minus right there. You can go ahead and shift it over so that I can manually control what gear that I am in. So if I drop it down to drive, okay, so I'm in drive and I'm in drive. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this shifter, I'm going to pull it towards me, 1 click. So I just put it in first gear manually. So now you can see there's a 1 instead of being in D. So now if I wanted to go ahead and be able to shift up and down, if I shift away from me, it's going to go up. So now I'm in second. And if I shift away from me again, it's going to go up and it's in third. And then I can upshift and downshift manually so that I can control the RPMs and when the Jeep is shifting and what speed it's going to be at. Now to take it out of this, I'm going to go over to the right all the way through until it goes back to D, which means now I am back in drive. I hope that helps. I know it was a quick example, but that's how you use your shift. If you have any questions from today's quick tip educational video, go ahead and drop those in the comments below, and I will be personally jumping on and answering your questions directly back to you. I want to make sure if you have any questions, all those questions get answered. So drop those in the comments. And a big thank you for jumping on today for our quick Monday educational quick tip. If you enjoyed this quick tip and would like to continue your trail to education, I'd like to invite you to jump on with me for a new masterclass, how to conquer the trails confidently without the fear of damaging your Jeep. This free masterclass is available to you right now. Super easy. Jump over ladyjeepers.live/workshop, or you can drive over to our website, ladyjeepers.com. Super easy. And you can find more information on that free masterclass waiting for you. Mark your calendar every Monday right here, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Join me and jump on for a quick educational class together. We cover one in-depth subject on our quick Monday classes.